A friend only recently planned a holiday to the Maldives, and as the days neared for their flight to the Maldives, I got a call asking what is the best packing checklist for the Maldives. So, of course, I gave him my lowdown on what they should pack. But I thought, why not make an episode of what to take and what not to take to the Maldives? So, on this episode of 5-Minute Travel Tips, we'll be discussing a packing checklist for a holiday in the Maldives. Now, we all know that the Maldives is a beautiful destination with crystal clear waters and breathtaking beaches. So, here's what you should pack for your trip. Number one and most important, swimwear. This is the must-have item for any Maldives holiday. Pack at least 2 swimsuits so you can alternate between them. Then another important thing is sunscreen. The sun in the Maldives can be intense, so it's important to protect your skin with a high SPF sunscreen. Don't forget to reapply it throughout the day because just applying it in the morning is not enough. Number 3 is something that I call beach cover-ups. When you're not in the water, you'll want to cover up to protect yourself from the sun. Lightweight cotton or linen cover-ups are ideal for keeping you cool and comfortable. Number 4, flip-flops. You'll be spending a lot of time on the beach, so pack a pair of comfortable flip-flops that you can easily slip on and slip off. Number 5, and if you have it, it's always beneficial, snorkeling gear. Maldives is famous for its underwater beauty, so don't forget to pack your snorkeling gear. And if you don't have your own, many resorts offer rentals, so you can just go there and rent it. Number 6 is very important, insect repellent or Odomos. Mosquitoes can be a nuisance in the Maldives. They can make or break your trip, especially during the evening. Pack some insect repellent to protect yourself from bites of mosquitoes. Then, another important thing to pack is light clothing. The weather in the Maldives is warm year-round, so pack light and breathable clothing. Cotton shirts, shorts and dresses are perfect for keeping you cool and comfortable. When you pack light, you can take more items of clothing, which just means that your Instagram photos will not have you in the same clothes again and again and again. Then another important thing is a camera or an underwater camera. You'll want to capture the stunning views and moments during your holiday. So don't forget, along with your smartphone, you can also pack a camera or an underwater camera. And nowadays there are so many underwater cameras that you can take. But make sure that you have a right casing. Because recently I took my GoPro when I was scuba diving in Bali and the casing wasn't as good. And as a result, the GoPro is no longer working. So make sure you take the right camera. Finally, as we reach the end of this episode, number 9 is a beach bag. A sturdy and waterproof beach bag will come in handy for carrying all your beach essentials. Sometimes, resorts in the Maldives have this in the room, so you can use that too. And finally, number 10 is a portable charger. Keep your phone and other electronics charged with a portable charger. This will come in handy when you go on excursions and for other activities that you will do at the resort that you're in. So in conclusion, packing for a holiday to the Maldives requires some essential and careful planning because you don't want to overpack, but also you don't want to reach the Maldives and realize that, hey, I forgot to get this. Because at the resort, if there is a shop, whatever you're buying, whether it's Odomos or swimwear, it is going to be super expensive. So I hope this checklist will help you prepare for a relaxing and memorable vacation to the Maldives. Thank you for listening. This is Neil from Veena World signing off. See you the next time.